Hey, what's up, everybody? It's me, David Mowry, and this is David Mowry's Toy Show. Today, guys, we're going to be opening up those Transformers because I decided to see what they were like. So, let me find my pocket knife real quick because we're going to need it. You know what? I'll just use my keys. I got keys. We're going to open up those Transformer figures because I want to take a look at them. They're bugging me. And we're going to see just how cool they really are. These ones. So let me slice open the tape on these things. Hold on, okay. That tape is strong. I think I got it. Oh, I ripped the box a little bit. Oh well. Wish I knew where my pocket knife went. I'd be using that. Okay, well, we got it open anyway. Either way, we got it open on one side. Come on, don't rip the packaging. Come on. I was watching my own channel for a minute to see that video uploaded. So, yeah. Oh, that was a pain in the butt to open. Okay. Oh, I ripped it a little bit. Oh, well. That's alright. We're not saving the packages. Maybe for one we move, but that's about all I'm doing. Kind of ripped the package, though. So here he is out of the plastic. Out of the box, at least. There's his gun. Wow, that was just in there. Okay. And here's the figure. I'll put that stuff back. Anyway, yeah, he's loose. Look at this. Yeah, that's nice. It's a good thing I know how to fix that problem. That won't be a hard thing to fix. And he's hollow on the inside of the arms. Wow, that's cheap. Huh. Pretty cool, though. It's very neat. For this one. Okay. We're going to see how he transforms real quick. It shouldn't be too hard. I used to have a Transformer that was similar to this one. I think it was an Optimus, I believe. I'm not sure. I can't be for sure. But I do think I know how to transform. So, let's try and see how good he transforms. Okay. So, he's going to fold together that way from the way it looks. Little ratchet piece. It looks like he's actually meant to be a combiner. But, okay, so, yeah, my wife's going to be a little mad at me that I opened them. But I wanted to see just what the hype is on them, you know, like, I've seen people on YouTube looking at these, and I just kind of wanted to get my opinion on them before they go on a shelf, because all toys are welcome in my show, guys. I don't discriminate, okay? I just don't know how this goes together. Struggling with it already. It's light plastic. They're light plastic. I'm pretty sure that this is supposed to connect somewhere. Yeah, right there. I got it. Wow, that is really cheap. Five Below is trying their hardest to mimic Transformers, but there it is. That's the truck. for this one. Okay. I'm going to be throwing the box away. I kind of want to keep the artwork on the back, though. So I don't know if I'm going to throw the box away or not. Might just get some duct tape and fix the little piece that I accidentally tore on the side there. We'll see. Okay, I'm going to put this back inside the box. Like that. Alright. Here's the box. Set it aside and grab the other one out of here. Alright. There's this one, the rocket system. I'll put this one aside. Now that we have that one open, we're going to cut this one open. I would use it a little better. Just kind of I got it. Alright. But I'll drop it on the floor. Okay, so okay, that's his weapon there. Alright, so here is his weapon. Okay, the rocket system. Okay, let's see if he loose. Oh no, he's not loose at all. That one's actually nice. Cool. Yeah, I like that one. Okay. Let's see how he combines, how he turns into his robot thing. Or his vehicle form. Let's see. Okay, so it looks like there's a tab at the, oh yeah, there is. Alright, so you're gonna bleh. Can't talk tonight. You're gonna snap these into place like that. Alright. So, I'm gonna take these, if I can see what the heck I'm doing, which is going to be a problem. Yeah, they go up like this. They go up here. Oh, come on, did you have to untab from where you were? I don't like that. Already I'm starting not to like this transformer. But that's only because here, cheap plastic. And they don't stay together. Oh well. But would I buy the rest of them? Yeah. You know why? Because I'm a big fan. And their real Transformers are expensive. So, like I said, I don't discriminate on bootlegs. They have a place in my toy show too, just as much as the real ones do. You know? And yeah, I do have real ones. But I don't have these guys. Okay, let me see if I can actually get that in there straight. Okay, I'm trying here. I am trying to get him together. Kinda. Yeah. I think I got it the best that it's gonna get. Is this thing's not going any further than what I wanted it to. That's alright. Because like I said, they're all going to go on a shelf anyway, and that'll be alright. I'm okay with it. Something's not going right here. I'm going to have to try to... I'm sorry guys, I'm having issues with it. With this one. This one's kind of giving me the blues. Oh, oh well. That's the best I can get it, guys. It's the tank mode for this one. And they don't even have tires on them to make them roll. I don't know. They're pretty much junk, to be honest with you. But they'll be a good shelf warmer. You know? Okay, we got one more to get open. Whoops. Hold on a minute, guys. Here. We got one more to open up. Right here. Which is Jungle Tank. Okay. Here we go. Grab my dang keys again. To my lockbox. I really was going to wait until we moved to open these, but decided today was the day. And I'm glad I did, because I'm not all that happy with them. I'm kind of disappointed in them, to be honest with you. So, yeah. There's his gun thing. And him. Right there. So what we're going to do... Okay. Oh, he's on a ratchet. Okay. Flip these open like they're supposed to be. And flip them up. Like that. I'm guessing there's going to be another hinge underneath. Not seeing one. If anything. Yeah, I'm not seeing it there, so... Guess it's just going to be like the other one. We're going to have to just use our imagination, guys. Okay. Oh well. It's alright. Okay. Not too bad, I guess. I kind of like this one. Right here, I kind of like this one a lot better than the other ones. That's for sure. Because the other ones are kind of dumb. Alright, so try to figure out how I'm going to attach this where it belongs. Okay. It's kind of cheesy. Okay, so we're just going to kind of like... Oh, there it is. That's what that one looks like in its mode. So, do I like this toy? Not so much. And you can put the gun right there if you really want to, but that looks kind of silly. Okay. Well, for what they are, okay, for what they are, $5 at Five Below, you get what you pay for, you know? Robot forms are not that bad. I like them. They're okay. yeah. You guys want to see more stuff like this? Put it in the comments below. Like this video, leave comments, subscribe for more. Join me back here again tomorrow night when I do another video. And always remember to keep it real and subscribe. I'll catch you all on the flip side. Peace.